Welcome! If you're tired of endless notifications every time someone comments on your posts, you're in the right place. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to disable comment notifications on Instagram. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can access your settings. Next, tap your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the three lines at the top right corner. Tap on those to access the menu, where we'll find our settings. In the menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Now look for Posts, Stories, and Comments. Tap on this option to dive deeper into notification settings for each of these categories. Lastly, scroll down until you find the section labeled Comments. Here, you'll see an option to toggle comments notifications. Simply select Off to disable those pesky notifications. And there you go. You've successfully turned off comment notifications on Instagram. Enjoy a more peaceful scrolling experience, free from interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.